Chapter 14. Our Transport. Early man needed to go from place to place to visit people and see places. In the beginning, he traveled on foot. Later on, he started taming animals and trained them to carry him and his goods. He also learned to float rafts on the water of rivers and streams. Thus started a system of transport by land and water. The invention of the wheel brought about a big change in the system of transportation. Man now moved from place to place using hand carts with wheels to bullock carts and horse carriages. Now there are a number of modern vehicles to help us go quickly from one place to another. These include cars, trucks, buses, trains, and aeroplanes. Land transport. There are two means of transport by land: roads and railways. Roads. Roads connect different places and make it possible for us to travel from one place to another. They also help us transport food grains, medicines, and other products. This is possible because roads can be built in all places, even in the remotest villages on a hill. Roads can be classified as national highways and state highways. National highways connect all the important cities with one another. They connect important cities of different states. State highways are important roads within a state. They connect all the important towns of that state. Railways. The Indian Railways is one of the largest railway networks in the world. Trains are the best means of land transport for traveling over very long distances. They are inexpensive, comfortable, and easy to travel by. The goods trains can carry large quantities of goods to long distances. Metro rail. The metro rail is an important step towards improving the transportation system. The metro is particularly useful in the crowded cities. The Kolkata metro was the first metro in India. Our capital city Delhi also has its own metro. It carries thousands of passengers daily, connecting far-off places in the city. Metro rail has also been started in some other cities like Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Jaipur. Water transport. Boats and motor boats are used for covering short distances. Ships and steamers are used for covering longer distances. They can also carry a large number of passengers. Cargo ships are used for transporting large quantities of goods, like oil or bulky goods, between countries. India has only a few rivers that are used for water transport. The coasts have a number of important ports, namely Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Kandla, Visakhapatnam, Cochin, etc. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. It is used for traveling very long distances in the shortest time possible. They take us across cities, states, and countries in just a few hours. They are used to drop food, medicines, etc. during wartime or floods. Aeroplanes are also used for transporting perishable items like food, flowers, and special medicines. But the journey by air is very expensive. Aeroplanes that fly within the different states of a country are called domestic airlines. Those connecting different countries are called international airlines. Traveling. Rajat, along with his parents, visited Mumbai during winter vacation. They live at Rajendra Nagar in Delhi. They had already planned for the journey a few months earlier. His father had booked tickets in Rajdhani Express. On the day of journey, Rajat was quite excited. His mother had packed the luggage. At 4 p.m., they hired a taxi for New Delhi railway station. The train arrived on time and they boarded the train easily. The train passed through plains, plateaus and forests. Rajat was thrilled to see the scenic beauty. Next day, they were in Mumbai. They stayed in a hotel there. They stayed there for 5 days. They visited many places there. Sometimes they traveled by an auto rickshaw, sometimes by a bus, and sometimes by metro train. Rajat enjoyed a lot traveling to new places. They returned to Delhi by train. Jatin's father is in the Indian Army. His father gets transferred from one place to another every 3 years. It is fun to travel to new places, meet new people, and eat new dishes, says Jatin. He also likes to collect traditional mementos from the places he visits. The children also enjoy the different landforms they get to see, from snow-capped mountains, sandy deserts to beautiful beaches. It is a new piece of earth every time. People may have to travel from place to place for various reasons. They may buy goods from one place and sell it in another place, or they may go in search of work, or they may want to move to a place that has more work opportunities. Paying for travel. Buses, trains, aeroplanes, etc. are called public means of transport. We have to pay money for traveling in them. We go to bus depot or to railway station or airport to purchase tickets and board these means of transport. Any money that is used for purchasing ticket or any other thing is called currency. Different countries have different currencies. The currency of India is rupee. Coins are made of metals. Commonly used coins in our country are of these denominations: 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and 10 rupees. A coin has two sides, with national emblem made on one side and called the head side, and the value of the coin written on the other side, called the tail side. In India, we also use paper currency like 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 2000 rupee notes. These are called currency notes. Notes of different values have different imprint and logos on them.